Hey guys, and welcome back to Living with Chanel. I am excited to share a new recipe with you today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to cook and make great recipes, you are at the right place. Start by clicking the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to give it a thumb up. I upload new videos Wednesdays and Saturdays. For this recipe, you will need green onion, hot pepper, ginger. I'm going to use half of this, smoked fish, tomato paste or fresh tomatoes, optional, garlic, peanut butter, white pepper, black pepper, salt, and bay leaves. I'm currently boiling the meat. So this is beef. Other optional ingredients: oregano, basil, cilantro, and parsley. You don't have to add these. I'm just adding it because I want to. Now that my meat is ready, I'm gonna go ahead and drain this water because I do not want to cook with this. I'm gonna add my onion. Because this is a soup that has a lot of oil already in it. Peanut has a lot of oil, so I'm not gonna add oil into my food. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my tomato paste. Add some water. Add some salt, black pepper, and bay leaves. Let that cook for 10 minutes on low to medium heat, and make sure you constantly check every minute or so, or every 2 minutes. Make sure it's not burning. Add your blended spices after 10 minutes. I'm gonna add some water. I'm gonna let that boil for about 1 to 2 minutes, and I'm gonna add my peanut butter. I'm gonna go ahead and add my peanut butter. You put the quantity you feel it's sufficient for you. I'm gonna add about maybe 4 of these. The more you put, the more soup you get, or the more you put, the heavier the soup will be. Add my dried fish along with the water. Add that in. Black pepper, white pepper, salt. The reason why I'm not putting a lot of salt is because I already added some salt while I was boiling the meat. Although I did remove the meat water, the meat is still salty, so you want to watch out for that. I'm gonna drop my 1 hot pepper in there. I'm not gonna blend it. If you want to add additional spices, this is the right time to do that. Oregano, about half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of cilantro. Half a teaspoon of parsley, and half a teaspoon of basil. These are all optional. You don't have to add this. Your soup will be good without it. As you can see, I'm not stirring. I'm just getting all the spices off my spatula. I'm just gonna taste the salt. Salt is good. Let it cook on low to medium heat for at least 20 minutes. Slowly, you don't want it to burn and you just want it to take its time to cook. So